If you've ever made a game with Unreal Engine before, you will have noticed this problem where your character might have some items or have a certain amount of health or whatever, and you change level, and when you change the level, your character is torn down, recreated, and I don't have my items anymore, right? I've changed to a new level here. I have two maps, map A and map B, and when I come into this new map, I've lost all my items. So narrative fixes this problem by using the save system. The save system can also be used when switching between levels to allow for persistence, right? So if I was to have a save game and I have the rifle now, I'm going to change map. And look, I've still got my rifle. I'll still have the same amount of, HP, stamina. All my quests will still be active. All the player's data. You can try this out for yourself if you're running Narrative Pro. You can open up Save Map A or Save Map B. I would recommend being on the latest version. There is a couple of fixes in these save maps, so make sure you have 2.3.3. And there's this demo button, change level. And if you look at the demo button, it's just a simple button. When you press it, it grabs the game instance and calls this function called open map. And this is a little bit different from the default one that comes with Unreal Engine called open level. But you can see if I double click on it, it actually does open the level, but it saves my game before it opens the level. And it passes through some map transition options. So it specifies the save game. And what the save subsystem does is when it loads the new level in, it says, okay, we need to load the player's save back in. The one thing it won't reload is your transform. So when I open the new map, it's going to take me to where the player start is. It's not going to, keep me standing where I was. But everything else, all the weapons you have, your HP, stamina, all your quests, all your player's data will be recreated and reloaded in the new level. So if you ever want to change the level and you want the player's data to persist, you should use the open map function, and you can do it like this. Grab the game instance and then simply call the open map function. It is that easy. Your player must be playing in a valid save game for this to work. If you open it up, you can see if you don't have a save game right now, it won't do anything. You could modify this if you want to automatically create a save even. If you wanted to do that as well, you could do it. If you want to see an example of how to do that, there is this narrative event, create save checkpoint, and it does this exact thing. If you don't have a save, it will get the first empty slot and it will save into that slot. So you could modify this a little bit to do the same logic if you wanted. That's just kind of how it comes out of the box. So I hope this helped, and happy developing.